Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, asante sana, and thank you for watching. So guys, today I have a video for you, and this is about, basically, as the topic, as the title of the video is, I got this shelf stroke book shoe rack from Kilimall, and I wanted to show you guys how I managed to assemble all of it. So I decided to do a video on it because the manual came in a different language, which is Chinese, and I'm sure not everyone is Chinese. So for those who do not understand the manual, I decided to show you how I actually figured this out by myself, and I had to do it by myself. Like, I literally had to understand. However I did it, I don't know, but I managed. So here I am just trying to get all the different items together and separately, and just making sure everything is on check according to the manual. So without further ado, we are going to jump right in, and I will not be talking a lot because it's just basically seeing and doing it. So I was just checking that all the parts are present. So this is how I did it. This quarantine, you have to do it. Yeah, you have to do these things by yourself. Hakuna kwenda kwa fundi, you have to buy. And guys, I'll be leaving the link of the item in question so that you can go purchase it. This is how it looks like at the end. Yeah, you can use it for literally anything. Myself, I decided to use it like a bookshelf, and yeah, it's very cute. So I started already with this, so I'll not be talking much because everything is self-explanatory. So enjoy. Thank you. Hi guys, so finally this is the look that I came up with, and this is how it's supposed to be actually. So tell me what you think about this in the comment section down below. Please be sure to like this video, comment, share, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you get a notification as the first person. Okay, see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Take care. Over and out.